If you belong to a research group with hundreds of members, you may or may not have much to say in what the topics that research is going to focus on. As one of 33 to 40 APC members, you have a lot to say in what that research is going to be.
So we can help direct the research, which is rare. You can join with Gartner and you could join the corporate board, and many do in addition. Quite expensive in comparison, quite expensive. And the fact of the matter is, though, it's a network of 300 or 400 or 500 people. It's not a close, trusted network. It's not the same thing. And you're just getting the end research. You're not part of developing where that goes, how it goes, and learning from the researchers themselves and asking those telling questions.
The value I get out of the APC is from its intersection between business and academics. And it gives me visibility to opportunities that I just don't see elsewhere. And a really good example of that is we had a speaker come in from Europe to talk about business process mining. And I never really heard of that before, and the reason for that is I'm located in the US, and business process mining is not a discipline that's really used very much in the US. And I was fascinated by this faculty person's presentation. It was exactly what I was looking for around analytics, particularly in the audit space where you're trying to compare exceptions to a standard process. And so I reached out to him afterwards. He referred me to one of his grad students who had started a business actually using his algorithms and had packaged it nicely and made it a commercial product. And she was very available and flew in from Europe and spent several days with us explaining the tool and how to use it. She traveled with us to different sites. We have a site down in Tampa where we really had some process problems and some bottlenecks in the process. So she sat with us and told us how to collect the data. We put the data in the tool and found exactly where those bottlenecks were in about 4 hours, a half day of loading the data and doing the analytics. And she had spent, this particular employee had spent weeks doing that analysis on her own and still had not found the problem.